Today, we're gonna make pochero. It's originally a Spanish dish. It was handed to us, and now it's a very, very popular Filipino dish. We gotta saute our pork, so I'm just throwing in some onion and garlic. Okay, oil, garlic, and the pork. Stir. Put 2/4 of water. Kind of tomato sauce. Tablespoon of tomato paste. We're gonna pressure cook this on high for 30 minutes. It for like desserts, it should be ripe, really ripe. As in not very soft. It is one of their favorite ingredients for pochero. They love to eat like banana as a vegetables. We're done. 30 minutes is done. We're ready to put our vegetables. Cover. So we're gonna put it 8 minutes on high. And then, ang lighting okay lang. So pretty much we're done. I think the last thing to do is just plate it. So I'll go right ahead. Finished product. Pochero.